Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. I am so excited because today I'm going to be prepping and painting my fireplace. While I'm doing that, I also have my electrician here. He's going to be putting in the recessed lighting in the master. As you guys can see from my day into night into day routine, the room was really kind of dark. I wasn't going for an ambient lighting. I just realized that the ceiling fan alone wasn't enough light in my master bedroom, so he's working on that. While he's working on that, I'm also going to be putting down this brown paper. The brown paper is going to help to protect my flooring from the sanding and also the paint. If you are interested, it is from Home Depot. I think it's 10 or 15 bucks. It's pretty long. I think I've been using it around the house. I noticed that it's not as messy as laying down plastic, but then it's not as expensive as laying down the tarp. So if you're interested, like I said, I will be leaving it in the description box down below.
I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Alright you guys, the paper is down for me to sand the fireplace, to prep that to get ready to be painted. I think I'm going to go ahead and paint it today. My electrician is here. Everything's going to be put in place and I'm just going to paint around it. Unfortunately, I was just able to get someone to the sheetrock, so that right there was the cause. So I have to paint this wall and I have to paint the fireplace, and my electrician is adding in some recessed lighting because I did not realize that this light was so dim. It's so dark in my room and I need some extra lighting, so I had to do that. But everything right now is on my bed. Oh. But my plan is to go darker with the paint. We just go here, because I want the TV and the fireplace to kind of dissipate within the color. So I think this color here is called Caviar. Can't remember these colors here. This one here is called Blackest Night, which I really do love it. It's almost like a blue black. So I think this is the color that I fell in love with last night, so I wanted to see it in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding this bad boy down. I have to sand all from the ceiling and around. I could have called to hire someone, but y'all, it's just probably easier and less expensive to just do it myself. So that's what I'm going to do. But the colors look really good. These are just entirely too dark for me, especially in the bedroom. But this one here is like perfect. I love the color. Yeah, but let me go ahead and sand, y'all. So what I'm doing now is sanding the wall, and let me just say, Joseph did an absolutely amazing job with putting up the sheetrock in the drywall. Although I'm sanding, there wasn't really like a lot of sanding that I had to do because he left it pretty smooth. So pretty much what I'm doing is going around and really just sanding down the edges. That way when I paint, it's really, really smooth. And then I also added a little bit of the pink drywall over the pink colors. That way you wouldn't see the samples behind the paint. But like I said, Jay did an amazing job. His name is Jay Cupid on Instagram. I'll leave him linked down below. If you are in the Savannah and surrounding area and you're interested in getting some work done, you can definitely call him. Again, like I said, he did an amazing job. He was so fast, you guys. Like I said, he was so fast. Now I'm showing you a closer zoom look of the drywall work. It just needed a little bit of sanding down to get the work done. I definitely could have done it without a mask. It wasn't like a huge thing, but I would just recommend to wear a mask. But if you guys are watching me and you want to do this the right way, small or big, I would just say for your safety just to wear a mask, because the room does get extremely foggy and you don't want to be breathing that stuff in. But now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and go with the paint. The small detail brush that I currently have in my hand is the Wooster's shortcut brush. You can pick this up at Home Depot or you can order it online, however you see fit to get it. I really love how it cuts the wall, and just take your time and diligently kind of run it against everything. Instead of using painter's tape, I found this new tape. I think it's like a painter's masking tape, and covered the fireplace because my electrician already drilled everything down for me before he left. That way I had nothing to do. I did not get a chance to paint the fireplace prior to my electrician coming out, but if you have the opportunity and you can paint before, you know, someone comes out, I would highly recommend it, only because you want the finish to be really clean and seamless, and being able not to have to go around so many obstacles to paint the wall will definitely give you that look. I'm going in with the emerald and satin. So it has a sheen, but it's not really shiny. It's almost like a matte, but I can clean it if it gets dirty. I'll be leaving all this information in the description box.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. 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 Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. singing oh, everybody singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. I am going to probably be up pretty late. I'm going to clean up the mess. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so excited. It looks so freaking good. I'm happy.